Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use freecash on a PC. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your PC like Google Chrome. Go to the freecash.com. If you are new, click on sign up and create an account using your email, Google or another option. If you already have an account, just click login. Once you are logged in, you will see the dashboard. This is where everything happens on freecash. Now let's talk about how to earn money. Here you will see games, apps, and talks. Choose an offer, read the instructions carefully, and complete all the steps to earn money. Another easy way to earn is daily bonus. Log in every day to collect free rewards and streak bonuses. You can also earn by inviting friends. Share your link when your friends earn, you earn too. As you earn, your balance will increase. You can check it at the top right corner of the screen. When you reach the minimum amount, click on your balance to go to the withdrawals page. Choose a payment method like PayPal, gift card, or crypto. Enter your details and cash out. And that's it. That's how you use freecash.com on a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.